Great Wall of China with Felipe.
Yeah, Felipe's away today. Yeah. So we're getting to the Great Wall of China today.
No, we're not going to sleep on it.
Now we're going to actually walk on it. Right, but if
And
you
not sleep on it.
well, it depends on how far you go. Otherwise, you might sleep on the wall tonight. You better keep up to date. Right, the wall we're going to is called the Mutianyu section, which is like VIP section in Beijing. All the celebrities, whoever comes to Beijing, they all go to this section.
This is what we're going there.
Yeah. And this section of the wall actually first built over 600 years ago. 600 years ago. It was like a Ming Dynasty wall. And the government had repaired like 6 miles long. It was like a proper new bricks and new steps. But either end of this section there is like older wall carried on. It is close to the tourist for safety reason.
But that's temporary, or is it like going to be for a while?
It's going to be for a while. And we're going to take a cable car up the top, and then we walk about 6-7 towers to the very top where the wall stops, right? And then we all coming down the stairs, walk back through another 14 towers, and to the finish point.
So how long that's gonna take us?
Well, it takes us
From beginning to end.
From beginning to the end, the cable car up, walk, about 3 hours.
3 hours!
Yeah, about 2.5 or 3 hours.
Okay, that's fine.
With a break, and
Oh!
and then stopping for pictures.
Mutianyu great section of the wall, and we are just about to take the cable car. There are various different ways to do it. So we have.
These little trees like all the sweet chestnuts. All the chestnuts on the tree. So we're at like a most spectacular section of the wall in Beijing, Mutianyu section. Well, as you can see, today is a bit busy because it's like a school holiday. And most people are like Chinese. But we're just walked past the Tower 15. We're going to it's like the square watchtower. Halfway up, and that's Tower 20, and then we're gonna walk back down to here and do a few more towers. And the Great Wall here, this is the main Great Wall. As you can tell, the bricks here, they're all original, and it's made like 600 years ago. And in between the bricks, lamb. And in the early days, they used lamb mixed with a sticky rice soup.
Oh, okay.
Put them together to stay longer. So this is like how they put the bricks stick together. And that side, it was like a China, right? Back to the 600 years ago, Chinese people were fighting the Mongols. So this was the China side. On the side over there. This is Mongolian side. Okay, this is the Mongolian side. So that was the enemy side. So basically, the Ming Great Wall, the main function was built in China to keep the Mongolian people out, because they always attack China. So look at these small windows along the wall. Every small window, there has to be 2 soldiers standing here, burning on the enemy side all the time. Yeah. So along the wall, as you see, there's so many little towers. Those little watchtowers. And about every 150 or 200 meters, there will be a square tower. Because all the weapons and food and daily supplies has to be stored in the tower. And a soldier actually slept in the tower. So each tower can hold 20 to 25 soldiers. They actually slept in there. Yeah.
So it is around 1 mile from the tower 15 to the tower 20. So we are going to intend to do that. Looks really up and down, obviously, very hilly, a lot of people and very sticky weather. But we're gonna make it, right, Felipe? Yay! Felipe is already tired, so he's gonna stay with Michael for a little bit while I walk all the way to Tower 20. Otherwise, he's gonna take a nap. So I'm doing the last section to go to Tower 20. Should be no more than 10 minutes, depending on how fit I am. So this is where we are intending to go to the top.